Hey, want to holler at you today. It's Father's Day. My wife prepared for me a brown sugar lemon glazed salmon. Oh man, over some rice. I'm finna dig into this. It looks so good. So, hey, just bear with me.
Talk about the Bears.
You know, this stuff that is Bear fan love to eat. We love salmon. See, it looks so good. Mmm. Oh, it's juicy. Mmm. That's so good. Mm. This season, Chicago Bear, we're gonna do our damn thing. Good young quarterback coming in there. We made some good draft picks. Think we really gonna show out this year, this season. People better be beware. Chicago, all the way. That's so good. And it's so oh man, it's tender, juicy. Hey, y'all need to watch this shit, man. This is good. Hey, have not. I know y'all watch. Do y'all watch that shit? Hey, I was watching that shit today. It just came back on. It's crazy. I love it. I don't care what you do. I don't know what you guys say out there. I love watching Have Not with my wife. Yellowstone too. Oh, gotta watch it. I'm waiting for it to come back on. June what? June 21st. Yellowstone. You better be there to watch it. It's so good. Oh, I don't know if I can finish all this. This is good. You gotta try it. This is my wife's recipe. Specialize in pastas. I specialize in salmon, but goddamn, I think she outdid me on this one. It's so good. Tender. Oh. This is good. This is a 2-pound salmon. I told her I wanted it. 2 pounds. Woo. I don't know if I can eat all this. It's so good. It's good though. And she throws some shrimp in there. Hold on. Let me give me a shrimp out of there. Oh, she got some shrimps in there also. Look at this shrimp. Look at this shrimp. Look at this shrimp. There you go, Candy. So cute. You know, motherfucker. Something's good. I thought, got to. Eating too fast, it ate the shell. It's really good. Really good. Hey, and Rock, come watch us. Hey, also subscribe to Rock, Scrub, Catering, and more. You see a lot of good meals, a lot of good recipes made from the mind, made from the kitchen, made from the soul. Come check us out. This is good. This is really good. Oh my God! Look how tender that salmon is. Oh. You gotta get this. You gotta get this. Hey, I do a campfire bacon wrap. You never heard of it. Bacon wrap, Sam. My own recipe. Come check it out at Ant and Rock. Look us up. Gotta give me some old Minute Maid in there. Alright. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I'm gonna take a little break right here. Hey, share, comment, subscribe. Look us up and rock.